Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Toyota Sienna key fob. First, gather all your existing key fobs, including the master key. Make sure your vehicle's battery is fully charged to avoid interruptions. This programming method is effective for a wide range of Toyota Sienna models, helping you get your remote entry working smoothly. We'll walk through each step clearly, ensuring you can complete the process with confidence. To begin, insert your master key into the ignition and remove it 5 times within a 10-second window. Next, open and close the driver's side door 6 times. After this, insert the master key back into the ignition. Turn the ignition to the on position, then immediately to off. This sequence prepares your Sienna for programming new key fobs. Now take your new key fob. Simultaneously press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons for about 1 second. Release them, then immediately press the lock button once. The vehicle should respond by cycling the locks, confirming the programming. Repeat this exact sequence for any other new key fobs you need to program. This ensures all your remotes are correctly linked to your Sienna. To finalize the process, simply remove the master key from the ignition. This will exit the programming mode. Now, it's crucial to test all your newly programmed key fobs to ensure they lock and unlock your Sienna correctly. If any fob isn't working, you might need to repeat the programming steps for that specific remote. Also, be sure to check the description below for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other exclusive deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.